Game Time International Top Loader Binder. The first question is 130 PT cards. Can I fit them in there? Can I fit some of my thicker cards? Nor definitely has a very thick card, as we know. There's a lot of brands out there that are just a little bit thicker. There's some old school patches, Immaculate, RPAs, those sort of things. The answer is yes. 130 PT cards can fit in there. These top loaders. So here we go. This is our top loader binder right here, GTI. You can see the material that is used is a nice material that doesn't scrape very easily. It's very durable and has a water resistance to it for sure. This is the design of it. It's very compact. You can put it's 112 top loaders, guys. You put 112 top loaders in here. And so let's open one up. You can see here that this is gonna be like a velvet material in here. It's not gonna be just empty. It does have a nice little feel to it. What I do is I find right here and I make sure that I get my 130 PT and I just push it in and there you go. Now I have 130 PT right there. And let's say the next slot, I wanna put another thick 130 PT. I could put the 130 PT there. And then let's say I have another 130 PT. So I'll just fill in this backside with 130 PT so you can see. So here you can see what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find it right there, right? And I'm just gonna get it in there and boom. So that's front and back, and it does have 130 PT in there. So what I recommend is this side should not be 130 PT. If you're putting all thick cards right here, you shouldn't put all thick cards right here. That's definitely gonna be too tight. It's not designed for that at all. I would definitely not recommend that with this top loader binder or really any top loader binder for that matter. I don't know any in the market that can do that unless they're just all thicker designed for 130 PT all the way. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 top loaders that are 130 PT, and then here I have the these are all 35 on the back. So yeah, what I like to say with the 130 PT when people say, well, can I put thicker cards in? Yeah, just sprinkle them in there. Don't load it up to the point, and you see how I'm taking them out? I'm not like ripping on the side here. I'm not messing around there. I'm taking it right from the middle, and I'm bending this. And I'm pulling it out like that. That's how you deal with our top loader binders. And then you keep it real nice and, you know, safe. It's not gonna rip on you if you play like this. But I've had some clients that they just like ripping from the side. It's gonna rip that. You can't do that. So when you're dealing with 35 PT, guys, when you're dealing with these type of 35 PT cards, it's a lot easier to manage just for the fact that this is really designed for 35 and 55 point. But what I'm trying to make a point in this video is that if you do have a couple thicky thicks and you want to slip them in, you're not going to have any trouble with GTI binder. You just slip it in right like that. Thicky thick in there, I just find it and I could put it in there and it's not going to rip that. It fits in there perfect, right? And that's really important for a top loader binder to be able to fill up with thicker cards as well, not just be limited to 35. And that does come from this right here. This middle part that we have right here, guys, it's a lot wider than some of the other stuff in the market. So that's really important to make sure that this fills up the right way and it closes properly. So when I do take this out, what I say, I'm not gonna like yank it or anything. I'm gonna bend this part right here and I'm gonna find my thumb. I'm gonna get it in the middle and I'm gonna pull it out like that. And my top loader binder is gonna stay smooth for a long time. Team bags or not team bags, it does not matter. You can do either way. So this is no team bag. This is actually not even our top loader. This is a really, really rough top loader. Jeez. So, commercial break. This is our top loaders right here, premium top loaders. These are penny sleeves and these are team bags. Now, let me just show you something real quick. Not that I want to like brag about our top loaders, but you talk about like premium top loaders, that word gets thrown around like pretty easily. These are premium top loaders. Why are these premium top loaders? Because let me just show you. Look at that. Look at that. You see this top loader versus this top loader? They're not the same species. They're different. These are different animals. You see the cut right there? And I'll just show you. You see that cut? And a lot of people, they don't care. But when you're talking about like our prices and competitor prices, and you're talking about like quality, man, that's smooth. That top loader is, I just spit on my top loader. It's smooth. So Lillard, I'm sorry I had to have you in that case, but that's getting retired. And this, why is it so scratched? It's really easy, guys, because it doesn't have a team bag on it. So with the top loaders, I really recommend making sure that you have team bags on your top loaders just to be safe. I think I picked up like 5 or 6 of these Lillards. One PSA 10, they're really cheap. And I just like the card. Past and Present is such a cool series. So yeah, you can see here, get them in a fresh bed sheet there. These penny sleeves are not lifelong things that you just never switch. They're like a bed sheet. You can switch them out every once in a while. Man, that looks a lot better than what it was in. And to keep it that way, I'm just gonna throw a team bag. It's all available on our website, guys. If you are looking for some premium products for some of your cards, www.gametimeinternational.com. We won't let you down with our quality. I take pride in making sure that our brand has good quality card supplies. It's very important to keep things nice, right? So there we go. We got Lillard in a top loader that he deserves. He just hit that game winner. And then the next game, he just got smoked. Giannis didn't play, but they got smoked. Here we go. So we're loading it up. Load it up. I like to bend it. It's just a lot better bending it. Load it up. And so as I load this up, I'll show you how it closes in a minute. Here it is. So we're still loading it up. And like I said, some of the thicker cards, we can definitely put those in there, sprinkle them in there. Let's see, boom, boom, boom. Let's get one right here. Let's get that guy in there. Okay, get another one right here. These are 130 PTs. And there we go. I got like 12 of these now. You know, there's 299 of these. I got 12 of them. I want 50. I want 50. I want 50 of these. Okay. And so you can see that's kind of getting loaded up here. It's not loaded up all the way. I don't think I have enough top loaders on my desk right now, but it'll give you an idea. Load some of these guys up here. Okay. Got a couple more of his rookies. Dame Dollars rookies, filling it up. What we got here? Zach LaVine, LeBron James. Okay, light it up, light it up. That's a cool series. I kind of want the gold lighted up of Dame Dollar. It's not a cheap card. Got another 130 PT. We'll put that guy right here. And then you can see here another 130 PT. We'll put that guy in the front. And we'll just kind of work around him with some 35 PTs. So yes, you can put 130 PTs in our top loader binder. I'm kind of showing you that right now, making sure that was shown in the video. That was my point for this video. If you are looking to load up like all 130 PTs, no, I wouldn't recommend that at all. But you can sprinkle them in, no problem. It's not gonna rip. You'll be all good. Okay. Okay. So now you can see that this guy is gonna stand there, and I'll just show you this. You can see how it stands there like that. Okay. It's very cool. It does stand on its own. So that is kind of a nice thing about this top loader binder. In your box, guys, if you do go with this top loader binder, you are gonna get it wrapped. So it comes wrapped. And it also comes with some stickers. And the stickers are for labeling purposes. Like this, it says enjoy the hobby, GTI. And you can take this sticker, peel it off. And the reasoning for this is just for like right here, if you did want to put some label on it, you can just put that guy right there. And that way, I thought that was a good way to be innovative. And if I just, you kind of really get it on there, right? And I can just put there, I don't know, Dame Dollar, Prism Collection, whatever I want to put there. And then if it's like, well, you know, I'm going to put some other stuff in this. you could take that off. This is our top loader binder, guys. Awesome quality, awesome product. Hit us up at gametimeinternational.com. So if this is a product that you're looking for, come check us out and we'll talk to you soon. All right, bye guys.